Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming basics: charge, Wi-Fi, and Apple ID because interruptions corrupt backups. If you choose iCloud, go to Settings, your name, iCloud Backup, and toggle on. Once done, tap Backup Now to initiate. If you prefer a local copy, connect to a Mac or PC and open Finder or iTunes, select your device and choose Backup Now. These first actions create a reliable snapshot you can restore from later. After starting, you refine what gets saved. For full fidelity, passwords, health, home, use an encrypted local backup in Finder or iTunes. Check Encrypt Local Backup and set a password. For iCloud, manage app backup toggles under iCloud settings so large apps or videos don't consume storage. Make sure to monitor the progress indicator. Larger libraries and slower networks extend time. Once completed, verify date and size of the backup to confirm a successful capture before disconnecting or closing apps. Finish by verifying the backup exists. In Settings, iCloud Manage Storage, or in Finder/iTunes, check the latest backup timestamp and size. If it failed, free iCloud space or delete obsolete local backups and try again. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS and that Finder/iTunes is updated. Connectivity or software versions often cause errors. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone and router, then retry. This final verification ensures you can restore confidently when needed.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.